The POCO F6 Pro is a mid-range smartphone that offers impressive performance and features for its price point. Here's a breakdown of its pros and cons. For pros, powerful performance. Equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, it delivers flagship-level performance for smooth multitasking and gaming. Excellent display. The AMOLED display boasts high refresh rate, vibrant colors, and good brightness for an immersive viewing experience. Fast charging. With 120 watts fast charging, you can quickly top up your battery. Premium build. The phone has a solid build quality and a sleek design. Good camera performance. While not a camera-centric phone, it takes decent photos in good lighting conditions. Competitive pricing. Offers a flagship-like experience at a mid-range price. For cons, average battery life. Battery life could be better, especially with heavy usage. Lack of IP rating. No water or dust resistance. Ultra-wide camera could be better. The ultra-wide camera sensor could be improved for better image quality. Some heating issues. Can get warm under heavy load. Overall, the POCO F6 Pro is a solid choice for users who prioritize performance, display quality, and fast charging without breaking the bank. However, if battery life and camera performance are your top priorities, you might want to consider other options.